Greetings, good day to you. It's March 7th, Saturday. My name's Marc Cuniberti, financial columnist for a host of newspapers and host of Money Management Radio on a variety of nationwide stations. So your Corona and market update. What a week we had in Wall Street, huh? I mean, up 1,200, down 1,100, down up 700. Just crazy. We kind of knew this was going to be a crazy week, and next week's probably going to be the same. Whereas a tsunami or 9/11 is a one-off event, it happens and it's over, and then we wait for the fear in the markets to subside. This is an ongoing event. We don't know if this virus is going to be here a month from now, a week from now, 6 months from now, what's going on. So the market's been pretty much fairly well hammered. The Dow high is about 29,530 something about a little as 3 weeks ago, and now it's sitting a little bit over 25,000. 15 to 18% correction there. So we'll see what's happening. I don't think it's time to deploy any new money right now. It's still, we don't know what's going to happen. However, I do think that it's time to maybe start stockpiling money in the account to maybe get ready. If you have new money, new funds to put in, you put it in and let it sit there. There is one or two sectors that I'm looking at to possibly add this coming week. But again, not a lot, because this thing can keep going down. You just don't know. So obviously there's been a lot of curtailment in traveling, in conferences. There's been stay-at-home work encouraged. There's been a state of emergency here in California. A couple other places have had a state of emergency. Let's just cover the virus. See what's going on. 106,000 cases, 3,500 deaths. That's about 3.4% of mortality rate. But remember, most of those are elderly people, and most of those have pre-existing conditions. As far as I know, last time I looked, there's nobody under 9 years old that has succumbed to the coronavirus. What's going on in the United States here, where I am, 76 new cases and 5 new deaths in the United States. Massachusetts, 1 in Massachusetts, 22 Washington, 21, these are cases now in New York. 2 new deaths and 3 new cases in Florida, 2 new cases in California, 1 in Madera and Alameda County, close to here. 2 new cases in South Carolina, 1 new case in Illinois, 6 new cases in Colorado, 1 case in Hawaii. How did it get there? And 1 in New Jersey. Worldwide, we have 296 new cases in France, 33 new cases in Egypt, 1 new case in Ireland, 1 case in Paraguay, 8 new cases in Iraq, 1,247 new cases in Italy, 6 new cases in Lebanon. The list goes on. Russia, Germany, Iceland, Romania. 100 countries now have been affected. The normal flu virus has a 0.1% contagion rate, what they think. This is running around 2%. So this thing is contagious. But as far as being deadly, the MERS epidemic was killing 30%. So that was really scary. You know, this is 3.5%, but most of those are elderly with pre-existing conditions. Not that that's good, but the majority of the population, at least in my opinion, really doesn't have to worry a lot about it. But it's scary, you know, I'm scared. You never know, you may be the one young guy that passes away, or one woman that passes away that's under 80. So it is spreading. We're seeing another cruise ship. Gentleman close to here died in Placer County. He was on a cruise to Mexico, on a Carnival cruise. And they tracked him back. He had been on a Carnival cruise to Mexico, and then they found out there was a whole bunch of people that had cruised with him to Mexico that were now on another cruise ship. So they stopped that one off the coast of California, off of San Francisco to be exact, and they've quarantined them there. So, yeah, the cruise ship thing, it's like kind of like a petri dish. I'm not knocking the cruise ship lines by any stretch of the means, but, you know. So hotels, retail outlets, restaurants, you know, I haven't seen much curtailment of participation in intersocial, social interaction. At least not yet, but I would think if more things pop up, then of course we might. We're seeing price gouging. Amazon put a halt to excessive pricing. We are in contact with a couple of relatives in Japan, saying they're really going crazy over there, wearing masks and everything, you know. So it is interesting, and it is unfortunate. And so we're watching the market so you don't have to. So just be careful here. Again, don't try to catch a falling knife, as they say in the markets. Don't try to catch a falling market. But as Warren Buffett once said, be greedy when people are fearful, and be fearful when people are greedy. So if you were to look at that, people are definitely fearful right now. Our website is moneymanagementradio.com. The YouTube channel is my name, Marc Cuniberti. And be safe, and I'll give you another update probably tomorrow or Monday. Probably tomorrow before the market's open so we can see what's going on. All right, be safe, be healthy.